The following contest is scheduled for one fall. And is your main event of the evening, and it is Mayhem! Suck it, Brett.
I think it's pointing at that. I saw the
Introducing first, floating out of Aiken, South Carolina, he is the closer, Aaron Berry.
That's a bad closer, Aaron Berry. The reason that Mad Dog, Josh Powers, lost his last match last month. And now he's looking to get revenge on him quite early. Josh Powers got to be careful. That man is big, he is strong, he is big, he's going to break somebody now.
It's not a bird. It's not a plane. It is the Mad Dog, Josh Powers.
Mad Dog in the air. Everybody clear the way. Batten down the hatches. Watch your head.
Has a score to settle with Aaron Berry. And we saw the music going on. It is great.
Mad Dog Mayhem. The referee better watch out. Look at those new moves on Mad Dog.
The last time we were here, we saw Mad Dog Mayhem match. It was a four-way. It was nuts.
Oh, yeah. And then one before that, he had one against Bojack.
Bojack, indeed. I love it. Mad Dog still has his music playing.
Oh, yeah. Uh-oh, they might end. No, never mind. Still going.
Oh, here we go. I love it.
He's trying to chop the big man down. He's trying to close the closer. Oh, the music stopped. We know the history between these two. It's a short one, but last month, Mad Dog.
Oh, he missed. Oh, just in case the first one didn't happen. And you're, keep going with the storytelling.
So, it's last month. Mad Dog could have been closing in on a victory in his last Mayhem match against Buggy Wright, but Aaron Berry came out of nowhere and dropped Mad Dog. Hitting him with a spear. He went through a door, didn't he?
He went, Mad Dog went through a door, and it was a heck of a match between Buggy Wright and Josh Powers.
But the result in the end was tainted thanks to the closer after being paid off by JP Lehman, who may or may not be here tonight.
We are not sure about why Aaron Berry aligned himself with JP Lehman, but I will say Aaron Berry You know, Aaron Berry's been one of those guys where he's been in the business and he's been out of the business. I've seen him and I haven't seen him, but now I think this Aaron Berry has gone back to the factory, worked on a lot of his craft, and he's been a force to be reckoned with over these last few months.
Absolutely. South Carolina and Georgia, North Carolina too, I'm sure. Wherever Aaron goes, a path of destruction is sure to follow him. And he doesn't care who you are.
No, he does not.
I was in the ring with Aaron in my debut, when I made my pro wrestling debut. He speared me out of midair, and it hurt. And I was done after that. I didn't know what I was getting myself into with Aaron in the match.
Aaron Berry is kind of part of this new blood that has been infiltrating Pro Wrestling Turbo. You got these stalwarts like Mean Dean Richards, you have Josh Powers, even Academia has been here long enough to be considered
a
big-time player and kind of an OG, but tonight's been very interesting when you look at the winners of each match. It's been tit for tat with the old guard and the young blood. And I think like you and I represent that as well.
I would say so.
I've been here forever, 6 years at this point. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, it's important. I was at that first class. Oh no!
Come out to play.
Singapore cane. That's what you get for chewing gum in Singapore. Literally, that's what you get for chewing gum in Singapore. Ouchies.
What they do to punish people back in the old days in Japan.
No, it's actually what happens in Singapore now, which is great. It keeps it clean. To be honest, I wouldn't. Oh, he's
sizing up.
Oh, he's a lefty. Oh, and Aaron Berry knew it was coming. Oh, big meat slapping meat. It's a meat sandwich.
Meat sandwich, yes. Dangerous enough, guys. Oh my goodness. Aaron Berry is dangerous enough when he has nothing in his hands. With his bare hands, he's a dangerous enough. Stick. Not much. Luckily for Mad Dog, he only got something. Side, dude. Much worse than just flat on your back.
Oh no!
That's a cover. Maybe not. Oh, now some agility. The height of the man got.
That was really impressive.
That was just in the base jump too.
Aaron Berry has been impressive. You have to think, no matter what happens, it's getting back to JP Lehman on his new investment, Aaron Berry.
He's probably watching it from Wall Street somewhere.
Actually, he lives in Charlotte.
Maybe wondering, where are you?
He's probably jet setting here, jet setting there, getting his chrome polished, getting his floors buffered. You know, it's a Sunday. He's gotta get ready for the markets to open up tomorrow.
Oh!
Ouch!
There was flush on the back. There's gonna be welches on their backs by the end of this.
It looks pretty miserable to be either of them right now.
Another one. Aaron finally off of his feet completely. Not to slow down a bit, but the pacing is to Mad Dog's liking.
He's making up for it, what he thinks is.
I'm a man. I'm a man. I can do 50 push-ups in a minute.
That's right.
All right, I'm a man.
That's right.
Dog.
I've offered him a beer, and he's like, I only chose something. So here we are.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh my goodness, Aaron Berry is about to be in a world of hurt.
Here we go. We're sorry about that, folks. That must be our best one.
Yeah, she hates me. Oh no! I don't want to see this. Where those chairs are
I don't
positioned.
want to see either of them get slammed on it. Those are the edges. Mark.
Ah!
They're tug of war.
And luckily, no harm, no foul. But let's set those chairs up to maybe, I don't know. Yeah, maybe we can just sit on them and talk about a resolution to this.
Yeah, I'm sure Aaron will apologize.
Yeah, it seems like it.
Oh my goodness, the chairs bounced.
The chairs did
That was a
bounce.
lot of weight coming down.
Oh, right hand. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh jeez. No.
What?
I heard that Aaron didn't like kids, and I'm so glad he doesn't.
Oh, his rib. His poor rib.
That's pro-birth control right there. I mean, I don't know what else it could be.
Oh my God.
That's pro-choice.
You talk about what do they call it when you laugh too hard? A gut buster.
Yeah, I'm talking
Busting
about.
his gut, yeah.
No, that was a vasectomy. It's different.
No way Mad Dog is gonna jump.
I mean, Aaron is out on his feet. Mad Dog with those new boots.
Dogs can't fly. They don't have wings. Oh my God! Oh my God! My sensitive little eyes.
That looked really bad, no matter what. That was,
Oh my God.
that wasn't good. That was mostly bad.
I have a headache just from looking at that. That was, and here we thought we seen everything in wrestling.
Oh my goodness, Josh Powers almost died up there. Now we got Aaron Berry.
I wasn't ready for that. I hope that does okay.
Oh, that didn't feel good.
When you have steel against spine, the steel wins every time. And I just rhymed.
Yeah, I liked it. It was nice. Oh, another vicious whack.
I love the fans. My back hurts. I still love the fans. There's no way Mad Dog can get off on his face.
I
Big
mean,
nasty fall he took.
you know, you look at Mad Dog's competitor last month was Buggy Wright, who was wiry, but Mad Dog had the size advantage. This time, Mad Dog, it's very rare for Mad Dog to face somebody that is his equal build, if not possibly bigger.
Oh yeah.
I mean, Aaron Berry looks like a wrestler from yesteryear, just a brute. Oh, jeez. I told him to stop.
Stop him in his tracks.
Oh, no!
The road signs are out. There's a bit of construction happening right now.
You get points on your license for that. Oh, spinning heel kick.
A man that size should not be doing that.
That was Rolling Thunder if I've ever seen it.
Oh yeah, brought the boom. Oh God, don't do that. You hear that fan?
Yeah, drop him on his head. Well, it looks like that's what he's about to do.
Here it comes.
Oh!
Finley roll, one of Aaron's big time techniques.
Oh, that's a lot of meat. That's a lot of meat.
Coming down on the chest.
And cover an upset.
Oh my goodness. I'm pretty sure that was the first cover of the whole match. I'm saying that a lot.
Well, it's important to note those historical events. Aaron Berry, I mean, Aaron Berry is beat up from the last few nights of wrestling competitively. Josh Powers has had a lot of damage done, not just tonight, but every Mad Dog Mayhem match has the expectation of brutality, and Mad Dog sometimes is on the brunt of that. Oh my goodness.
Aaron in his bare hands is dangerous.
I think Aaron just hit himself in the face with a chain like a dummy.
The first time, he got hit.
It's fine.
Last night.
Now he's oh jeez. Maybe it's that same chain.
Yeah, I do. Aaron won that match too. Lawyer really bought it.
Spoiler alert. How am I supposed to? I was going to watch it on Peacock. And Josh Powers is getting choked in front of us.
Arguably the most popular superstar here in pro wrestling football history.
Oh God, that's getting choked.
Choked out by his own
That's
name.
getting choked.
It's all legal. It's all legal.
And this does not look good for Josh Powers.
There's nothing the referee can do about it.
No, it's Mayhem rules.
Only thing the referee can do is call for the bell when a decision has to be made. Someone could throw in the white towel. Mad Dog could put the split right here.
Why does the towel have to be white?
I don't know. It's a symbol of surrender.
Okay. Oh, what? So, never mind. We are a frail people. And Josh Powers is getting destroyed by Aaron Berry.
Dogs are barking, though. They're barking up a storm. If Mad Dog has his way to get back into this, Josh Powers is going to put Aaron in the doghouse, if you know what I mean.
I do, because the doghouse is literal. I get it.
That's right, that's right. And getting...
That's just a lot of meat.
Yeah, that's a lot of weight he's got to flip over.
A lot of meat. And, I mean, Josh Powers has been getting choked for the last 2 minutes.
Oh, yeah. Trying to get some breath back in his lungs. Uh-oh.
Oh, there goes Josh Powers.
He flipped him. He listened to the fan.
Oh, where was that trash can set up? I didn't even
He
see
came back
it.
to bite him in the booty.
Oh, it was more the head.
Yeah, he came back to bite him in the head first, into the trash can. This is what happens when you don't take out your trash on the designated days.
Actually, you usually just get yelled at by your wife, not get your head thrown into a trash can.
Your wife would probably do that, though.
She would. It's parents, and I deserve it, is what she said. And I agree with that.
We want doors. They want doors. Are we going to see a door today? Until that reason, that's the crowd chanting for doors.
You know, Josh Powers has an incredible lariat. It looks like he's going for it right now. Whoa! I saw the sweat. I haven't seen.
Oh my God!
Anybody.
Take his lariat.
Yeah, that's the third one. Fourth one. What the heck, Aaron Berry?
Meat on meat.
Oh, Aaron pushed through it. Oh, the southpaw.
I love a good southpaw lariat. If a left arm is southpaw, is a right arm north?
Yeah. Oh, double legs.
Yes.
All right, I think Josh Powers has had enough of this baloney.
Not the baloney.
Yeah, he's had enough of Aaron Berry's baloney.
This is why I prefer ham.
Yeah, the baloney's not very good for you. He's had enough of it. It's very high in fat.
Taking out the trash.
Oh!
Right in the face.
Josh Powers is, he's warming the crowd up. Oh, wait.
Oh, no,
not yet.
No doors.
Everybody in the crowd's just got, something's blue on them, if you catch my drift.
Aaron has his way. There won't be any doors tonight. What's he doing?
Aaron was already spayed and neutered earlier tonight.
That is not in a good place. He's got a wife. That hurt me just watching it. I wasn't ready for that.
Josh Powers just split Aaron Berry open like a coconut.
Oh, look at the coconut. Look at that trash can there. Oh, my goodness.
I think that, no. The crowd wanted a tour, but they're going to get something way worse.
We don't know what's in that.
They enjoy this a lot.
I don't want to see, though. I don't want to see what's in the bucket, but we know what's in the bucket.
It ain't Beanie Babies, it's Legos!
Not the Legos!
Beanie Babies would be pleasant.
We've all stepped on Legos once or twice in our lives. I'm getting a headache watching this.
Hit him with the a chair. He just threw the chair at Aaron Berry. That's crazy. All right, well, here comes Legos. Someone's gonna be miserable. Someone's back is gonna look like Tetris.
Oh, no, not Tetris. That's a hard game. Aaron finally, he knows not when to go do those Legos. Aaron might go do the Legos with that suplex.
I mean, it's... Oh, Aaron just missed.
He just barely survived.
Oh, no! All right, we're still clean. This is great. No one's gone through Legos yet.
Oh, there's that forearm. That's how Zoya lost the tooth. That nasty right forearm.
Yeah, that right forearm has dislodged teeth this weekend.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Oh! Face first! Face first on the Legos!
Face first on the Legos!
Oh, Mad Dog!
Oh, no!
Looking real mad! Acting like a dog!
Stop him! He's gonna...
Oh! His poor man parts!
Mad Dog looking like a wicked stepbrother!
Oh my goodness!
Face first into the Legos, dude. I thought stepping on Legos.
We have a nice shot of Josh Powers' back right now, and I don't think it's a sunburn. Although we've had perfect weather tonight.
Absolutely, it was a nice warm, hot 75 degrees. I think you should have went for the cover after that. I think so too. Stomping the Legos.
Well, you know, the crowd, at a certain point, the crowd wants what they want. And, I mean, Josh Powers, pay attention to the signs. It says stop. Wait.
Oh, wait a minute.
Be friends. Wait, what if friendship prevailed?
You put a stop to whatever he was doing.
Oh, no. Yeah, that was a good one.
I don't know. We're working on all cylinders.
Ben FM? I don't know. We're on the NPR of Jack Spear.
Oh yeah, that's it. We're on the radio station where you have to pay to listen.
Yes. And Josh Powers up on top. Yeah, he thought maybe something different.
Aaron, a man his size, should not be on the top.
I mean, this may break the ring if both of them go through it.
The referee might want to leave.
And Josh Powers, Aaron Berry up top. Main event tonight. This is for everything.
This is about revenge. About retribution. This is about backlash.
This is about Vengeance Day.
Vengeance Day. No, no, no.
Oh, the Legos! Oh! Cover! Got him. Oh.
How is that not?
All right, well, at this point in Pro Wrestling Turbo with the Mad Dog Mayhem match, there's only one thing left. There's only one thing left.
Oh, don't tell me what I think.
Oh my goodness, look at Josh Powers' back. It's not a spiked club in his back, but darn it, it's the set to make the Millennium Falcon in his back right now.
He doesn't have a door. Where's it? No door? No door? Did he not have a door?
I'm gonna be more disappointed than most people if there is no door.
About to open up a whole new world of things.
Mad Dog has Aaron Berry just what he wants. I mean, look at the mayhem already in the match.
He's about to show him.
Oh, what a dork!
The doorway of destruction.
Yeah, like Stairway to Heaven, but like totally different.
But there's a door at the end of the
totally different. Don't stop! Oh, jeez.
I have no more stop puns. I thought I had.
Yeah, we got yield.
We're all waiting.
Steal on me.
Josh Powers has Aaron Berry exactly where Aaron Berry does not want to be.
They want to see the door come into play. He's going to open up a doorway to destruction.
I get it.
He might spear him through it like Aaron did to him. A little payback. Take it.
The Legos, maybe.
I see a small pile of Legos in there. The building
Brick by brick, they
Brick by
are building.
Not again.
Let go of him!
What the heck?
No, wait, what?
Three.
Here's your winner, Aaron Berry.
I knew it. If Aaron had his way, we didn't see no door action tonight. I knew it.
What the heck? No door?
I knew it. Aaron had his way, and we saw no doors. I called it.
I don't know. What?
I want my money back.
I thought so too. That's why he's the closer.
What?
That's a bad man right there.
I don't. How do you? But there's a door, and Josh Powers is supposed to.
No doors tonight.
But you're supposed to. Aaron Berry just got I think the biggest upset in pro wrestling turbo history. What has gotten into Aaron Berry?
He hit him so hard.
Oh, golly.
Get out of his face. This ain't over yet, folks.
But Aaron Berry,
Hey, wait. Look at this.
Hey, Dean Richards. And Aaron Berry's taking on both Josh Powers and Dean Richards. No.
Uh-oh.
And
just when you thought we weren't going to see doors.
Aaron Berry looks like the biggest loser winner on earth.
You might as well call him a loser. He just took that L.
Jim Morrison's going to go in on
And Josh Powers is just. All right.
Go to a bar.
I don't care about losing me. All I care is that you went through that damn door. A big shout out to Dean Richards. You did save my ass, so thank you, Dean. To close it, Mr. Berry, I know who sent you. I know J.P. Lehman sent you after me. I need a milk. I look this way, that helps apparently. J.P. Lehman thinks if you can't beat him, buy him. He thinks he's going to waltz into Pro Wrestling Turbo and gentrify professional wrestling in the town of Greenville? No, sorry, Bob, not my territory. I got shiny new wingtip boots. I run this territory. I'm the vet now. Next month, Aaron Berry, go get your financier, Mr. Wall Street Fat Cat J.P. Lehman. How about you? Step into Tag Dog Mayhem with my brand new partner, Dean Richards. Have you ever wanted to put somebody through a door? Well, brother, April 27th might just be your opportunity. April 27th at Magnetic South Brewery. And Barry, one of those with your name on it. All right, guys, real quick before we see you, we really appreciate you guys coming out and supporting us, buying the merch, cheering, booing, whatever it is you do, making noise and having a blast. Listen, we can't do this without you. We really appreciate it. Make sure you're there on April 27th at Magnetic South as we bring Tag Dog Mayhem to Pro Wrestling Turbo for the first time. All right, guys, get home safe. We love you.
Joining us on this month's Pro Wrestling Turbo, guys.